the evaluation of AI. In simple terms, we will look at generative AI, AI agents, and finally agentic AI. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand why agentic AI is the future. Let's start the beginning. Powered by large language models can generate text, images, code, you name it. They are amazing for creativity and productivity, but there's a catch. Generative AI is a reactive. It waits for a prompt, it gives an answer, and that's it. No real time awareness, no independent action, no ability to interact with the outside world. This limitation is exactly where AI had to evolve. Okay, so what I mean to share with you all that what AI agents is that from talking to doing something. Like Intel AI agents, this is where AI moves from generation to execution. AI agents can call APIs, use tools, access real-time data, and perform the actions automatically. For example, booking tickets, running workflows, or managing the data tasks. They take an input, reason through steps, and then act. But most AI agents focus on one specific goal. So, what happens when a task is too complex for just one agent? Okay, so AI that works like a team. This is where things get really interesting. Agenting AI is not a single agent, it's a system of agents. Each agent has a role, each agent specializes, and together they collaborate to achieve a large goal. The system can plan multi steps workflows, execute the task autonomously, monitor the outcomes, and adjust their strategy. Agents communicate with each other, share context, and coordinate decisions. This is the shift from AI as a tool to AI as a collaborative partner. So this is the evolutionary path of the AI. Like for example, in generative AI, if you see the primary output is the content, text, images, and under the AI agents, it is a completed task, and the agentic AI is a complex workflow. Similarly, autonomy, real-time access, the coordinations. Okay, so this is the evolutionary how step by step it goes. Now, what is this evaluation matters? Here's the key difference. Generative AI outputs content and agentic AI outputs the completed workflows. Generative AI needs constant prompting. Agentic AI works toward the long-term goals. Generative AI is isolated. Agentic AI is coordinated and autonomous. This is the leap toward the real-world enterprise scale AI system. Frameworks powering the agentic AI. Building these systems requires the right tools. Frameworks like Agno for production ready agents with the memory, Crew AI for role-based multi-agent collaboration, LangGraph for managing complex decision flows. These tools make agentic systems practical, not theoretical. So we are moving AI that responds to AI that acts. Okay. So from AI as a helper to AI as a teammate. Organizations that understand this shift will automate entire workflows, not just individual tasks. Agentic AI is not a future idea, it's already happening. And those who adopt it early will define the next generation of technology. If this helped you understand Agentic AI, like the video, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and let me know in the comments where do you think Agentic AI will have biggest impact.